Young India Skill University 2024 లో స్టార్ట్ అయిందండి. ఇన్ ద లాస్ట్ 1.5 year we have successfully completed training 1000 candidates in different sectors. Short term courses are 3 months courses కానీ 6 months courses లో so far we have completed 1000 candidates. So కొన్ని completed courses, if you can see, they are logistic and supply chain management. దాంట్లో we have achieved 80% placement because they are trained in the industry. Endoscopy technician course, we have completed 2 batches successfully. This is in partnership with AIG hospitals. Dantla 90% placement candidates have got. We recently completed another course, that is data center operations and management. So ival repu data centers are coming up a lot in Hyderabad. So how to manage the data centers, how to take care of the operations of the data centers. Idi Microsoft and all the candidates, at least 80% of the candidates have got placed at Microsoft with a very good job. I mean with a very good salary also. United Way of Hyderabad toti we have also conducted a data analyst training program. Even there we have achieved 90% placement. And vocational trainings koste electrical and mechanical vocational training 90%. Ippudu meer 80% 90% placement is because కొంతమంది డ్రాప్ అవుట్ అయినారు. అండ్ దోస్ హూ హ్యావ్ డ్రాప్డ్ అవుట్ వాళ్ళకు ప్లేస్మెంట్ దొరకలేదు, కానీ దోస్ హూ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ ద ట్రైనింగ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ ఫర్ 3 months and 6 months, all of them have got placed with good salaries.